Henan Tianqiao New Cold Chain Equipment Company Limited was established in 2022 and is a growing company in the refrigeration industry. Headquartered in Xinxiang City, Henan Province, China. As a comprehensive enterprise, Tianqiao and our associated company are involved in the entire process from design, research and development, production to sales and installation. Our associated factory currently has 3 independent production lines and more than R&D personnel. Our company is proud to use advanced technology to push the boundaries of industry innovation and sustainable development. Our core products: catering cold storage, customized solutions for preserving and storing food in the catering industry. Industrial cold storage, large-scale refrigeration systems designed for industrial applications. Scientific research cold storage, precision refrigeration solutions for scientific research purposes. Agricultural cold storage, gainy storage solutions to maintain the freshness and quality of agricultural products. Logistics cold storage, providing efficient and reliable refrigeration solutions for the logistics and supply chain industries. Pharmaceutical cold storage, an essential temperature-controlled storage system for the pharmaceutical industry. Our related products: polyurethane cold storage board, available in a variety of specifications, B1, B2 grades, suitable for different degrees of thermal insulation and fire protection. Refrigeration equipment, a range of refrigeration units including freezer racks, integrated and semi-enclosed piston machines, spiral evaporative cooling systems and chillers. Welcome customers all over the world to visit our company and negotiate cooperation.